Hi everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, we discuss about what are array in C++. In the previous video, we discussed about what are pointers in C++. Before moving to the video, if you have not subscribed the channel, do subscribe the channel and also save the playlist for your future reference. Without wasting your time, let's start the video. First of all, we discuss about what is array. In C++, array is a variable that can store multiple values of the same type. In C++, array is a variable and it is used to store multiple values of the same time. For example, if you want to store multiple characters in one variable, then you can use array. Now discuss about index of array. Index of array always start from 0 and ends at n-1. It means that index of array start from 0 and ends at n-1. For example, you declare a array int arr 5. This is n and it starts from 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. It starts from 0 and ends at n-1. The value of n is 5. 5 minus 1 is 4. Okay. The value at index 0 is 10. The value at index 1 is 20 into 30, 40, 50. This is the indexing of array. If we want to print the value at index 3, then you don't have to do cout. Let's suppose A is the name of variable. Okay. If you want to print the value 40, then you don't have to do A4. You have to write 3 here, okay? Because 40 is at 3 index. So you have to write 3 to print 40. This is the indexing of array. Now discuss about the syntax of array. This image shows the declaration and initialization of array. These are header file. It is the main function and int arr 5. This is the variable and this is the name of variable. If you want to declare array, then you have to type the name of variable and square bracket and the size. In the place of 5, you can give any number what do you want to declare, and this is the value of array. 10 is at the index of 0, 20 is at the index of 1, 30 is at the index of 2, 40 is at the index of 3 and 50 is index of 4. And you have to print the value 30. Then you have to type cout name of array and index of number. It will print the value 30. Let's do some example to master array in C++. Create a folder in your suitable place and right click on it and click on open with code. It will redirect you to Visual Studio Code. If you have not watched the video getting started C++, installing VS Code and G++, do watch the video, because if you will not watch the video, you won't be able to run C++ program. Create a new file tut15.cpp. Type header file has include iostream using namespace std into main function, return 0. Now discuss about the syntax of array. First of all, type int and the name of array and the size of array. If I will type 5, then the size of array will 5. Now curly braces, you can give the value of array. I will put 10, 20, 30, 40 and 50. Now we discuss about how to print the array in terminal. Type cout name of array and the number of index. If you want to print 30, then you have to type 2 and semicolon. Now run the program. 30 is printed in the terminal. If you want to print all the number, then you have to type cout 5 times 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Now run the code. Also type handle here. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50 is printed in the terminal. The other method of printing array is using for loop. Type for, enter int I is equals to 0, I is less than or equal to 4, I plus plus, and here type cout name of array and I handle semicolon. After that run the program. Then you can see that 10, 20, 30, 40, 50 is printed in the terminal. So this is printing the array in terminal using for loop. Now we take the value of array using for loop. I will comment this for int I equals 0, I is less than or equal to 4, I plus plus. Semicolon scene. Now run the program. Then you can see that enter the value of array 10, 20, 30, 40, 587. Okay, then the value of arrays inserted. These value are inserted in local memory. If I will close the output, then it will cleared. Okay, these value are not stored. Now print the value which we have taken here. See out the values of arrays is handle semicolon for int I is equal 0, I is less than or equal to 4, I plus plus. See out name of array I semicolon. After that run the program. Then you can see that enter the value of arrays 14, 25, 36, 24, 52. Then you can see that 14, 25, 36, 24, 52 is printed. I forget to type handle here. After that run the program 10, 20, 30, 45, 78. Then you can see that the values of array is 10, 20, 30, 45, 78 is printed in the terminal. In this video we discuss about what are array, how to declare array, how to initialize the value of array using for loop, taking the value of array from user using for loop, printing the value of array using for loop. I will give the link of this source code in the description box. If you have any doubt, do comment on this video. I will solve your doubt. You can also join my Telegram channel. Follow me on Twitter, Instagram. All the link is given in the description box. Still you have not subscribed the channel, do subscribe the channel and also save the playlist for your future reference. I hope you guys like this video. Thank you so much guys for watching this video and I will see you next time.